I'm Brooke Perez, and I am founder and COO.
My name is Tomas Perez, and I am co-founder and CEO of Bell's Cookies. Bell's Cookies began in 2020 during the pandemic in a hard time for all of us, a lot of uncertainty, and it happens to be the best decision that Brooke and I could make was to turn a critical moment for our catering business into what it is today, a cookie business that shares joy through cookies and that operates not only in the US but also in the Europe market.
We had a catering company and then COVID happened. Catering went down right away, gatherings stopped, and we had to pivot. Cookies became the first thing. Tomas and I had thought about doing cookies beforehand, and COVID was the push, the extra push that we needed was definitely necessary. So that's when Bell's Cookie Co. was created. I have a background in culinary, baking and pastry. So cookies became, something that we both loved, and the natural next step into what do we want to do that's sweet.
We met in Colombia and we both started a cafe there. Before Brooke and I met, I own a coffee company. It was focused on the wholesale and retail program, basically, grocery stores. And when Brooke and I met, Brooke brought all this knowledge about pastries, and we decided why not, let's move to the coast of Colombia and open a cafe using my brand, and that's when it all started. And I think that decision made us consider each other a good, not just lovely partners, but business partners.
This is when we were still dating and figuring out how to work together. So now it was definitely good practice for marriage and practice for a couple more businesses together. Him and I balance each other really well because he's very good at the things I'm not good at, and I'm good at the things he's not good at.
Yeah.
So baking is more my responsibility, and a lot of other facets of the business are his.
How do we implement international flavors? And the first we thought of is Colombia. So we had in our cookie lineup one of our top sellers that is called the Colombian corn cookie, and it is inspired in the arepa, right? And that opened us the door to implement throughout the seasons international flavors, different cultural flavors, and that's when Brooke comes in. Study, like we do more Asians, do we focus more on the Latin American culture? Mm-hmm. And I think that coming from Colombia really shaped how we can implement a culture into an American product, which is a cookie.
One thing that we try to focus on as a company is really representing different cultures in different countries in our cookies. To be a Seattle-based cookie company here is really special. To be able to build a business here in Seattle, a community here, the people in Seattle are wonderful and really support small businesses. So having that support come along into our Seattle-based business has been really special.
In 2023, we opened our second store, which is in Madrid, in Spain, and that came along thanks to the vision that we had we just don't want to be just a cookie shop, we want to be an international brand.
We are so excited for our second store in Madrid, and our partners there are wonderful too. For Bell's Cookies and why we are different and what makes our cookies different, we put quality number one over everything. So whenever there's a decision about what the next cookie is, what ingredients we're buying, what flavors we're using, the very first thing we ask is it top quality? And how do we maintain that? And how do we get that message to the customer as well? You want to stay creative and exciting and listen to your customers as well. These are the people that are supporting you in the business, and it is our job to listen. We need to pay attention, we need to stay true to who we are in baking cookies, and at the same time engage our audience because they're really what becomes your family and your support.
Metropolitan Market has been a great partner of ours ever since we started working with them, and it has been in our radar for years. Mm-hmm. And when we got the chance to start working with Met Market, I think that we consider that we had hit a major milestone for our business.
Met Market has a very fun and creative team to work with. So when we're planning new cookies, sometimes they're like, oh, let's do something fun for this season. And it also lets our team and myself be creative in something that we can do that is exciting that you don't get every day. One thing we're really excited about coming up is our crispy cookies. So it's a new product that we are just launching.
If you are in the Seattle area, most specifically in the Green Lake area, don't forget to stop at our beautiful store. You can see how cookies are being made. And if you're far from here, you can always order on our website.
We hope to see you soon.